Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to show your services on your Facebook page. So now without any further ado, let's begin with the steps. So first of all, launch Facebook application on your mobile device. Here we go. Now once you are here, make sure that you are logged on to your account. Now just at the top right corner of your Facebook profile, you can see three lines icon. So just tap on that option. With that, you'll come across this page. Now simply tap on See More and then simply tap on the option of Pages. Now select the page you want to switch to. Now once you come across your page, simply tap on the option of Switch at the bottom. With that, you will be switched to your Facebook page. Now simply tap on the circle icon at the top right corner of your Facebook page profile with your name's initial on it. Now, simply tap on your page name at the top. Now, once you are here, simply tap on three horizontal dots at the right-hand corner of your screen. Now, simply tap on the option of Edit at the top. Once you are here, simply scroll down below. And just beside Details, you'll see the option of Edit at the right-hand corner. So, simply tap on that option of Edit. With that, you'll come to this page. Now scroll down below and under Basic Info, you'll see the option of Add Services. Tap on that option. Now once you are here, you can add services that you offer to your customers. By doing this step, your customers and your clients will get to know more about your business and the services you offer. So I'm just going to select few of the services here. Now after selecting the services, simply tap on Save at the bottom of your screen. Now, let's go back again. Now, once you are here on your Facebook page profile, reload your page and then you can even scroll down below. Now, simply tap on About. Now, once you are here, you can show your services that you had selected previously. So, by doing these steps, you will be able to show your services on your Facebook page. And this is it for today. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.